So you've listed your luxury home and you've gotten 30 showings in the first month. Let me tell you why that might not be the best thing for your home. When it comes to luxury homes here in the mountains, it's about making sure that the interest is coming from the right qualified buyers. It may not actually be great that we have anybody and everybody walking through your home. That can actually affect your privacy and discretion. So by making sure that we are actually vetting the people coming through your home, you can get better quality showings with the right buyers who are most likely to buy your home. Now, when it does come to showings, there's a lot of things that we do to really make sure your home stands out. Nobody is going to know your home better than your own agent. So whenever possible, we attend the showings to make sure we're sharing all of those invaluable pieces of information about your home with everybody who's coming to see it. Not only that, but we make sure your home is sparkling and showing its best by having all of the lights on, having it tidied up and cleaned, freshly staged and ready to go. Those things can make a big difference, especially if your home is showing off the views. Who wants to walk into a home where the blinds are closed and the view is the centerpiece? People are just gonna miss it if that happens. So it's really important to make sure that your home is showing the absolute best that it can when people come through the door. By making sure that we're protecting your privacy and being there for the showings, you know that your home is in good hands and it's not going to be just anybody and everybody walking through your home. We do open houses, and even our open houses are tailored and curated to those buyers who are most likely going to purchase your home, or towards other agents that we know are working with qualified buyers to purchase your home. If you have any questions about what we do when we're showing homes here in the mountains, give me a call. We're happy to walk you through the process.